there, I am Akshya Kanivanan and today I'll solve the math homework question. So this is the question that was given to us. At a glance we can see that integrating with respect to x is a little difficult, so we'll be switching that up. For that, let's draw the graph. And let's write the limits. For the given function, the limits are root y less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. Now looking at the limits, we can see that the graph is turning out to be something like this, with this being the y-axis and this being the x-axis. Now integrating x first, we'll take a small portion of it, and that will be root y to 1, and then we'll be integrating along the y-axis, which will be from 0 to 1. Now if we want to do this in the opposite way, like integrating along the y-axis in the first place and then integrating along the x-axis, the graph will remain the same, but the smaller area will have limits on the y-axis from 0 to x square, and on the x-axis from 0 to 1. And the new limits will be 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square. Now let's proceed with the new limits and rewrite the equation, that is I equal to integral of 0 to 1 integral 0 to x square root of x cube plus 1 dy dx. Now this is quite simple, and it will be 0 to 1. Integrating this, we get y root of x cube plus 1, since the x term will be a constant as we are integrating with dy, and the limits will be 0 to x square. Now applying the limits inside, we get x square root of x cube plus 1 dx. Now this term is a little complex to integrate in one step, so we'll be writing it separately. Now for this, let's take a new term, a new variable called t, and let x cube plus 1 equal to t square. Now if we differentiate this, we get 3x square dx equal to 2t dt. Now switching the variables, we get x square dx equal to 2 by 3 t dt. Now let's also find the limits for t. We have 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Now if we substitute in the equation x cube plus 1 equal to t square, which we assumed in the beginning, we will get the limits 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to root 2. Now let's substitute the whole thing in the original equation for I. That will be equal to 1 to root 2 2 by 3 t dt into t. Now integrating this, we can take 2 by 3 outside as a constant, and this will be 1 to root 2 t square dt. Now this is quite simple. It's just integration, and we get 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 t cube with the limits 1 and root 2, which will be equal to 2 by 9 2 root 2 minus 1, and when we calculate it, we get the answer as 0.4063. So that's the final answer. Thanks for watching.